Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Face ID to install apps on iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on Face ID and passcode. Now here enter your lock screen passcode, and here in use Face ID for section you will see a iTunes and App Store button. So to use Face ID to install apps, turn on iTunes and App Store button. So if you have turned off this button, then turn on this. So to turn on this button, you have to sign into your Apple ID. So here, and when you turn on this iTunes and App Store button, you will be able to install apps by using Face ID. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.